In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the Akita here in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and go into your gunsmith and go up to the customize tab and then into your camo section. And you're going to see all of your camos right here. These are going to be the challenges that you have to do in order to get all of these pretty cool camos here in multiplayer. Now, the first 9 camos are going to be these military camos right here. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is get 80 point blank kills in total with this shotgun. Now, this is actually very, very easy to do. What you're going to want to do is play objective-based game modes like Hardpoint, for example. Hardpoint is very, very good for this on those smaller maps. Hijacked or Nuketown, whenever Nuketown does release, is going to be absolutely perfect for this. But essentially, just run into that hardpoint, get some point-blank kills, and knock this out. If you're doing this pretty consistently, you should be able to knock this out in at least 8 games max. I would not think this would take more than 8 games, but on short maps, it is super easy to knock out. So play those smaller maps, and you'll be good to go. Diamondback is just 50 kills while moving. This is pretty much the exact same thing. So pretty much do exactly what you were doing to get these point blank kills, and you're going to knock this out. Be running into them as you're shooting them, and you'll knock this out quick. 30 hip fire kills just so happens to be by far one of the easiest things that you could possibly do with a shotgun. This one is super self-explanatory. This should only take 1 game max. You should just take your, pointer finger off of that trigger, and you'll be good to go. For mainframe, you just have to get a kills shortly after sliding, diving, or wall jumping 15 times. Essentially do the exact same thing that you do for these point blank kills, just slide before and you can knock this one out extremely quickly. This should only take 1 game max. For Shattered Gold, you have to get 3 kills without dying 10 times. This is probably the hardest one out of all of these challenges. Usually Shattered Gold is not that bad for some of the other weapons, but essentially what you're going to want to do is, once again, play those hardpoint game modes or, any objective game mode, to be fair. Kind of sit outside of the hard point a little bit and get some kills. You're going to have to camp a little bit for this one and kind of catch people off guard. If you're lucky, you'll manage to kill the same guy 3 times because he'll come back and try and kill you in the future. Just be safe if you have to. For the shotguns, getting these 3 kills without dying 10 times is a little bit of a challenge, but at the exact same time, you could probably knock this out in 2 or 3 games max. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. But this is how you can get Shattered Gold quick here on the Akita. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.